Hey, what's up guys? So today we are going to make a really cute and loopy Valentine's Day bow to go on all those great gifts you guys have. And we are going to make it with items from the dollar store. What you will need: 2 different patterns of ribbon. These are both 2.5 inches in width. 1 chenille stem and a pair of scissors. That's it. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we are going to do is unravel both rolls of our ribbon and lie them on top. So going to start with the red and white on the top and the sheer red on the bottom. You can measure the loops if you'd like to make sure that they're even, but I'm just going to eyeball it. So you're going to make a loop just like that. Bring the other side over. Try to make it even. Just like that. And then going to bring this side back behind the loops you just made, like that. Then bring it around to the front, in front of the loops you just made. So right now we have 4 loops. We're going to do that one more time. Make sure you hold the center nice and tight. Going to make another loop and bring it behind the loops you just made. And come all the way around to the front. Bring that last loop in front of all of the loops you just made. So now we have 6 loops. And you could like stop it right here, scrunch it and twist it off. But what I like to do is take the ribbon and make it the center. So I'm looping it around behind and bringing it back around to the front, pulling it nice and tight so it makes a center, just like that. And I still have ribbon left over, so what I'm going to do with it to the back. So that is what it's looking like so far. 6 loops. Now for the excess that I have left over, I have maybe like 12 inches left over. I'm going to loop it and bring it up to the top to match the other side. Okay, see, I'm just holding it all at the back. And then I'm just going to use a chenille stem just to tie this all together. You could definitely use hot glue as well. But I have a little sparkly chenille stem, so I'll use that. Just twisting it around the center. And twist it at the back a couple of times. And you can cut off the excess. Or you can leave it if you want to attach it to the gift. Okay, so now you can definitely keep the 6 loops like this, because that's really poofy and cute. Or you can separate them to where you can see the top and the bottom and make it even poofier. And just pull, and since this is wire edge, it'll stay where you place it for the most part. And do the other side. Okay, and then the bottom, it's still looped together. So what I'm going to do is estimate the center and cut the loops to make tails. And you can ribbon cut the end if you'd like. And there you have it, a really cute and simple bow for a really cute gift. You can add different colors, patterns, whatever you'd like.